This is the pattern of the design we want to do today. Hello guys, we are doing this smoking Caribbean smoking pattern today. So we can use it to do sleeve, we can use it on our clothes for any design. So these are what we are going to be needing today: a tape rule, thread and needle. We need our biro and a cloth. We are going to be using this. So this is the pattern of what we are going to do today. You have to take a sheet of paper, draw the pattern, draw a box shape. You can use 1 inch or 2 inch. You draw it. After drawing it, the other thing you are going to do is you come like this. You take your tape rule, you take your ruler, you draw it down, then you leave a space. To the other box, you draw down from the right to the left, you leave a space, then you do another one. So the next line, you come from, you leave the first box, you the second box, you draw to the left side. From the right to the left, you leave a box, then you go to the other box. See the way I've done it. So look at it. This is coming from the left to the right. So here we are coming from the right to the left. We are not using this box, we are using this box. Don't forget that we are doing a Caribbean design, smoking design. They call it here basket. So we can use it for sleeve, for design, for children clothes. You can use it to do to sew anything. So now we leave a box here. So the second box, when we do it like that, we will get a design like this. When we follow this design, follow the lines, you get something like this, which we can use for anything. You can use it to do children gown, or to a blouse, sleeve, or even pillowcase. So let's continue with this. And at this point, I will like us to subscribe to my channel if you really love what I'm doing, and if you want to see more of my handwork, like this Canada sleeve. We have a lot of them. We have a lot of design. I have a lot of design. Please subscribe to my video. Subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I upload another video. And at the same time, thumbs up please. Okay, let me continue. I've come to the first box. You come down, you knot it, and you now take the two together. Praise the living. Hallelujah. I'm not in the church. Thank God. So you knot it again. So at this point, I would like to end the first and the second row I've finished. I want to start with the third and the fourth. So I'll be using the fourth and the third now. So I want us to please look at it very well. This is the third and the fourth. So I will be using the two. So you start from here. You put your pin here, your needle here. You tie. Then you now take it again. You hold it. You bring it to the end of the line. Can you see? Let me take it up so that you can see. You hold it. You pin together. You hold together. Please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends and lovely ones. Share to your friends. You are free to share. So I told you I'm using the third and the fourth. So I will now go to the fourth. I'm using 2 together. So you now take it a little, just take it tiny. So you don't tie, you don't pull it much. Just let it be at the same length with the box. The second time, you tie. You tie as well. Then you now take the pin again to the bottom where the line goes. Can you see? Can you see? You now tie. You tie very, very firmly now. You tie. Can you see? So now this is the next box I'm going to. I'm using 2 boxes. 1, 2. Then you now come here. You now come here. You tie. You tie. Then you now hold it to the edge here. To the edge. Then you now tie again. You now tie again. Although you can use one roll, you can tie 1 roll first, then you now go to the second roll. But I prefer to use 2 rolls at the same time because it will make my work neater. If you use a roll, if you first use a roll, you will be cutting and sewing. Let's see the back of it. This is the third and the fourth roll. Can you see? I'm going to the 4th row now. So I will continue like that. I will continue like that. So you now go here. Now tie together. You tie together. Can you see the design? This is the design. And at this stage, we can leave it like this. We can use it for children gown like this. We can use it for gown. Can you see at this stage? Or at the same time, we can use it for sleeve. We can use it for sleeve. This will be the down, and this will be the soldier. So, and if you want to continue to make it puff, we can continue. So at this point, I will need us to finish the one that we are doing because I'll be finishing this one later, much later. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Share to your friends and your loved ones. Share to your colleagues. And at the same time, if you have any comments, put it on the comment box. I will surely read and answer. If there's supposed to be any answering any question for me, I will answer. So thank you for being with me today. Till next time. Thank you.